Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal Bang, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Dadia. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, welcome to the show. Clearly, if you go to see, investors have been pinning hopes with regards to where the US relief package is concerned, and they're thinking that eventually it is going to get passed. Taking this into consideration, we've seen how the dollar has been moving as well. What's the sense that you pick up with regards to where the dollar index goes? Because clearly, uh, it's again below that 93 mark right now.
Yeah, there are two things which is going on right now. The dollar index, which is weakened today during the day session, that is basically caused upside in gold and silver.
Hmm.
But there's another development which is taking place. The US 10-year bond yields are moving up. So on
Hmm.
one side, the dollar index is weakening, and on another hand, the US 10-year bond yields are shooting up. So this is a classical case of a scenario where if the US bond yields keep surging, then
Hmm.
the upside will be restricted. So I would recommend strict trading in both commodities. Silver can go up and test levels. If you buy silver at
Hmm.
62,700, 63,200, 300 are kind of levels where you should book your profit. Gold, if you are buying at 50,800, 51,100 to 51,120, you should book your
Hmm.
profits, because if bond yield keeps surging up, then I think there cannot be a sharp upside immediately. So, in spite of clear indication coming from US that the package is coming, then too we have not seen any sharp upside in gold or silver. So,
Hmm.
for the evening session, the levels which I mentioned, at those levels, please book the long profit, and then at that time, if our company's sell call comes, you can go short. So we will initiate sell call accordingly, but still we are expecting some pullback.
At some pullback that could be coming in with regards to where bullion is concerned. Clearly, what's the sense that you're picking up with regards to where crude is concerned? Because clearly, if you see in terms of where crude goes, there is volatility. It's been struggling to recover as well right now. And do you think this is the right time where you could see buyers in that $38 to $39 per barrel range?
Crude oil looks positive. I will recommend to go long. Yesterday also, I have clearly mentioned everyone in our group that you should go long in crude oil. The reason for that is the OPEC Plus, which consists of Russia, has clearly mentioned that they are willing to cut new production. And you are aware that what is already started is the new wave of COVID-19 crisis in Europe.
Hmm.
So it seems that if they don't cut production going forward, then again oil market can end up in a glut. So
Hmm.
considering that, I'm of the view that oil should move up with weaker dollar and risk on sentiment going on in the world. Oil should test levels of 3050, 3060 in today's trading session, or maximum by Monday's trading session. So 3000 levels to go long, 2970 should be the stop loss, and upside should be around 3060.
Right. And any strategy with regards to natural gas?
Yeah, so natural gas, last time I recommended to go long for the target of 225, that has been achieved. Again, around 212, 213, good levels to go long. Put a stop loss of 209 and expect it to test levels of 220.
Right. Anything that looks interesting, Kunal, with regards to where base metals are concerned?
Yeah, so base metals, copper, my target is achieved 540. I have given, and after that we've seen a sharp correction. I would still recommend to go long 4 month contract around 530, which is November contract, 27 November contract around 530. Two
Mm.
three rupees downside you can go long, or even if it comes down to 532, you can go long. Put a stop loss of 529 and expect it to again test levels of 537, 538.
Right. So that's with regards to where crude is concerned. So those are strategies that we're picking up in the commodities market. Thank you, Kunal, so much for joining in. Thank you, participants, as well. And have a happy weekend. We should see you back on Monday. Thank you so much.